We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today I'm sharing with y'all a delicious condensed milk sweet potato pie, and here are our ingredients. Here I'm removing my potatoes from the pot. I decided to boil them, and now I'm peeling, and make sure you take off all the dark spots and everything that doesn't belong. Here I'm slicing them up in my cup. I'm measuring them out as I slice them. Now I'm adding them to my bowl, and I'm mashing them. You mash them until they are all smashed. And sometimes you may see some dark spots. You remove the dark spots. See, like this one, we're going to remove that. Okay, here I'm adding my brown sugar. I'm mixing this with my mixer. I'm still removing the dark spots. And I'm going to continue to mix. Now I'm adding my eggs one at a time. Here I'm adding my softened butter. I had to put this in the microwave. I try not to put it in the microwave, but this time I had to do it to soften it up. But what you do, just lay your butter out on your counter and let it soften to room temperature. Now I'm spooning down my sides. Here I'm adding some instant pudding mix. Yes, y'all, I couldn't believe it either, but I definitely want to try this recipe. Okay, we're going to mix this in, and make sure you purchase the instant pudding. Okay, I'm wiping the sides down again. Now I'm adding my sweetened condensed milk. We're going to make sure we get all of that out. This is what helps sweeten your sweet potato pie. Now we're going to mix this in. Here I'm adding my cinnamon and my vanilla extract. And I'm going to also add a little allspice to mine. I couldn't find my nutmeg, but I usually use a little nutmeg in mine. The allspice works just as good. And we're going to continue to mix. Now we're placing our filling in our pie crust. We don't want to overfill it. Make sure you fill it almost to the edge, but not completely there, okay? Now I'm going to place this in a 350-degree oven for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you check your pie out, and if the center is still jiggling, leave it in there for another 10 minutes. Okay, y'all, I had just taken my pie out of the oven, and it smells so delicious, y'all. I'm going to let this pie set until it is completely cooled, and then I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, I have let my pie cool down. The thing that you do, you let it completely cool. Since it's a deep dish, it takes a while for it to cool, and after it's cooled, you can refrigerate it. Okay, we want to make sure it's completely cooled down before you place it in the refrigerator, because we don't want our pie to sweat, because that what would happen if you refrigerate it too quickly. All right, y'all, here's my slice of sweet potato pie. Y'all, this is such a simple recipe, and it tastes so delicious. Okay, y'all, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And to all my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. More holiday recipes are on the way. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm gonna say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!